models, right? Your model is this. Like, if you had your hand on an iron pipe that's going around a ratchet, like you need the pipe on the ratchet for leverage. This is not gonna, you want your body in a place where your whole body, like, okay, here we go, right? But you're set up here, which is foreshortened, closed, bent, externally deviated, tipped, instead of here at this point. Right? So if we took a snapshot of you now, we'd be like, hey, this guy's doing Aikido. Does that kind of make sense?
I think so, yeah, it's my posture again.
Yeah, just being aware of all that. Nice, there's amendable. It's still breakable. Miss Schmidt.
Is it this foot?
Yeah. And now your second foot ends up pretty close to him, so you're going to feel like you're kind of folded in your arm. Your posture's pretty nice, that's good. That's the general idea, yeah, that's it.
Okay.
But you probably feel pretty bent and close.
Yeah, I do.
That's all. But the general path you took, that was all fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, amendable. Shift your whole body. Patience. Build to perform the circle. Step right there. Now this step, if it comes closer to me when it comes through instead of the bookcase. Yeah, but behind, it goes between your feet. But if it comes closer to me, yeah, now you have more space. Feel your right arm to be unbendable.
Don't pull back.
Yeah.
Leave the hand.
You want to move your body away from the grip.
And body away.
Yeah, now turning towards the bookcase, energizing the hand, moving from your center. Yeah, and you have a whole lot of turning you could do here. Like you can keep turning towards the front door probably, And by that time, Rick is speeding up and probably tapping. That last step is less important than the rest, but if you get there, you might as well start considering it. Patience. Yeah, Ethan didn't do his next step, so it'll be a little tough. Yeah, turn from your center, move your mind past the turn now. Right, so here's my turn. I'm not doing this, and I'm not doing this. Watch where my mind is. I'm ahead of the turn a little. Sensei, what I was talking about, the eyes. Lead the.
That's a little.
Yeah, and more towards me with the foot would be better. Yes. That's it. Good job, Ms. Schmidt. Unbreakable arm of Kimmy Schmidt.
You didn't say finish it.
That's
I didn't say that.
Oh.
I don't mind the slight pause in case I meant to. And that'll become more important as I age. So a little pause, like, Steve, anything? So this final motion. This motion should feel, Ethan, like this. See that? The energy. Just turn and move the whole body, look ahead. That should be right. So what's this? Oh, that's Sankyo. Really? I thought when Sankyo you're grabbing like this. That's not how we're doing the sword. Oh no, this is Sankyo, right? So if you have this grab, that's me coming into Sankyo. If you have this grab, lead you through, bring you plenty of space, and this will help me keep the space. And here's Sankyo, all right, which is something that we might practice this way. Right? Okay, so I'd like to be considering Uke's entire arc, path, direction, expectation, and imbalance, start to finish. So not going fast, but considering here, when you step under, yep. So leading her, think about where, yeah, you want to be leading her, right? That way the Sankyo comes as a surprise. She thought she was going forward and backwards. We don't want to simply lift them up and step underneath.
It's like somebody heard something that
Yeah.
sounded like Sirius.
Must have been. It would be a tough class if, Alexa was in your class. Now, Alexa, why don't you do better at Aikido?
Was it
Because, like others.
Was it you who mentioned that in like TV movies,
Yeah.
like they modulate the sound?
Yeah, they do some audio engineering
Something,
so it
yeah.
doesn't trigger, or maybe less often or something, yeah.
That was a lot. It did
Let me
kinda-
see, Rick,
this-
don't move. Alright, it's right on your butt, like some lint. You're good. So, do that again from the start, same side, Rick. I know we don't usually do that. So what I saw was, when you started kinda, I'm exaggerating, you weren't quite that. So, obviously that's not what we want. But it was also good because that is the energy you're leading them through. Right? I want to lead the energy that way, but I don't do that. So having that feeling here, like, yeah, there is a little lead, there's a little dip, there's a little curl, lead him through that. Maybe you sink in and rise a little. Maybe as you get to the center of the circle, it speeds up a little bit, but it doesn't get betrayed in the whole body. Then it's a little bit like bowling, where I want it and I do, that doesn't do anything to the ball. But I can affect it so the ball turns or curves or whatever it's supposed to do. I don't actually have to do this once I've released the ball. So see if you can have that feeling, but, standing up straight.
Yeah, so you're pulling, kind of pulling across.
Finish up.
That's your wheel. That was true.
Okay.
One, two. Yeah, I'm gonna trip. He takes the step, I'm still leading him. Here. Start to lead him around, and I know he's not gonna let go, but just start walking back for me, because I know we're slipping. Here, leading him, leading him. I reach the natural end of my turn, keep leading him. Leading him. Yeah. And she don't know yet. Okay. Again, whole evening is about paying attention to what Uke is doing, the path they're on, the reason they're on that path, where their mind is, their expectation, their continuity of movement. So less focus on, like I'm not finding a grip that would really support that. You'd probably let go when you felt that pressure a few times in there.
Sure.
And normally we would. I do this and then do this, transition to this. This is more about just, I know you're going to keep your grip, but if you're able, so I'm just leading you through so my mind can be more readily just on you. I'm caring about you, I'm paying attention to you. Less about, wait, I got the grip wrong, which is where people often fumble in class. So you only saw that once, but it looked to me by your faces that you got it. So